2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 54,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.